Alibaba to eBay arbitrage. Step-by-step strategy with examples. What is Alibaba eBay arbitrage? Buying products wholesale from Alibaba, China, and reselling them individually on eBay, global, at a higher price. Step-by-step strategy. Phase 1. Product research and selection. 1. Identify profitable niches. Home decor items. Electronics accessories. Jewelry and fashion accessories. Pet supplies. DIY/craft materials. Kitchen gadgets. 2. Use research tools. Terapeak, eBay's research tool. Watchcount.com for eBay's sold items. Alibaba's Buyer Central for trending products. Google Trends for seasonality. 3. Criteria for good arbitrage products. Lightweight, saves shipping costs. Durable, won't break in transit. Small/compact, easy to store. High perceived value. 300 to 500% potential markup. Not restricted/banned on eBay. Phase 2. Supplier sourcing on Alibaba. Example product. LED smart light strips. 4. Find reliable suppliers. Search LED light strips smartphone control. Filter by. Trade assurance suppliers, Alibaba's protection. 2+ years gold suppliers. Response rate greater than 90%. Minimum order quantity MOQ, under 100 units. 5. Contact multiple suppliers. Text. Sample message. Hello, I'm interested in your 5M RGB LED light strips with smartphone control. 1. What is your best price for 50 units? 2. Shipping cost to your country? 3. Sample cost and delivery time? 4. Can you provide branded packaging? 5. Do you offer drop shipping? 6. Cost calculation example. Product cost, $4.50 per unit, 50 units. Shipping to you, $2 per unit. Customs/duties, 50 cents per unit. Total landed cost, $7 per unit. eBay selling price, $24.99 plus $4.99 shipping. Profit before fees, $1.18/unit. Phase 3. eBay listing creation. 7. Optimize your listing. Title: 5M RGB LED strip lights smart app control music sync DIY home decor. Use keywords: smart home, room decor, gaming setup, Wi-Fi control. 8. Professional presentation. Use suppliers' high-quality photos. Ask permission. Create composite images showing features. Write detailed descriptions mentioning benefits. Include 5 to 10 high-resolution images. 9. Pricing strategy. Start slightly below competitors. Offer, buy 2, get 10% off promotions. Use calculated shipping, weigh your actual product. Consider offering free shipping with higher price. Phase 4. Order fulfillment. 10. Storage options. Start small. Use your home. First 50 to 100 units. Scale up. Rent storage unit or use fulfillment service. 11. Shipping setup. Buy thermal printer for labels. Use eBay/PayPal discounted shipping. Purchase poly mailers in bulk. Schedule USPS/UPS pickups. 12. Inventory management. Track stock levels manually or with software. Set up reorder alerts at 20% stock remaining. Monitor best-selling variations. Phase 5. Scaling and optimization. 13. Reinvest profits. Test new products with profits. Increase order quantities for better pricing. Expand to multiple product lines. 14. Automate processes. Use listing templates. Automate messaging. Consider inventory management software. 15. Build brand presence. Create consistent packaging. Include thank you notes. Encourage reviews. Real example walkthrough. Product: silicone baking mats. Alibaba side. Supplier price: $1.80 per unit, 100 unit MOQ. Shipping: $45 via sea freight, 6 weeks. Total cost: $225 for 100 units equals $2.25 per unit. eBay side. Sold prices: $12.99 to $16.99. Your price: $14.99 with free shipping. Shipping cost, $3.50 via USPS first class. eBay/PayPal fees, $2.50. Profit per unit, $14.99 to $2.25, $3.50 to $2.50 equals $6.74. Monthly potential. Sell 3 units/day equals 90/month. Monthly profit, $606.60. ROI, 270%. Critical success factors. Avoid these mistakes. Don't ignore shipping times. Manage customer expectations. Don't violate intellectual property. Avoid branded knockoffs. Always test samples first. Quality control is crucial. Calculate all costs, include storage, packaging, returns. Check eBay restrictions. Some items can't be sold. Legal and compliance. Register your business properly. Pay taxes on profits. Obtain necessary certifications, CE, FCC for electronics. Follow eBay's dropshipping policy, allowed if you handle shipping. Tools you'll need. Research, Terapeak, watch count. Finance, QuickBooks spreadsheets. Shipping, Pirate Ship, ShipStation. Inventory, TradeGecko, Zoho Inventory. Productivity, Trello, Asana. Startup budget estimate. Initial inventory, $300 to $500. Samples, $50 to $100. Shipping supplies, $100. Total to start, $500 to $700. Pro tips. Start with 3 to 5 products. Don't spread too thin. Build supplier relationships. Better prices over time. Optimize for seasons. Plan 3 to 4 months ahead. Excellent customer service. Handle issues promptly. Monitor competition. Adjust pricing regularly. This business model requires patience, especially with shipping from China, and careful attention to detail, but can be highly profitable when executed well. Start small, validate your products, then scale gradually.